Lot 2637A, 2002 Honda Aquatrax 1200. We're tearing this machine down into parts. Our phone number is 218-844-4968 if you want to buy parts off this machine. It's a freshwater Minnesota boat. The guy drove it on the lake, forgot to put the drain plug in it last fall and filled the engine full of water. That's the reason for tear down. So every piece on this machine will be tore down and sold separately. Again, if you want to buy parts off this machine, give us a call, 218-844-4968. It's 2002 Honda Aquatrax 1200 Turbo. Basically an F-12X. It's clean. Not much damage to anything. It's not faded too bad. Comes with a nice Honda cover that'll also be for sale. All of our parts we list on eBay. So you can look us up on eBay underneath Marto's Motorsports. Thanks for stopping by.